The Reedplates of the new LYRA by Kongsheng are indeed solid brass. You can see the coloration, it's brass. Now on the sides, they're plated in silver. But when I first got it, I wasn't sure what was going on. And but what's going on is they are solid brass, just exactly as Wang Ecki had told me. And I performed on this 12-holer today, and it did a super job. The audience was entranced with the sound, which is really great. So, solid brass reed plates means solid brass reed plates at this price.